Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix inZOI Insufficient Video Memory to run the game error. So first thing you wanna do is simply update your drivers if it is not updated. To do that, right click on your Windows icon, then go to Device Manager. Now here, click on this one and then right click on your graphics card, then click on Update. Then search automatically for updates and restart your PC. And if that didn't work, let's try this other solution. Now search for Advanced Settings. There you go, View Advanced System Settings. Now here, go to Performance on Settings, go to Advanced, and here you can see you can click on Change. Uncheck this one, then check this Customize the size. Now input here 1616384, and now for the maximum size MB, input 16384. Now after that, simply click on this set and then restart your PC, and that's basically it.